Hello, Ryan Colcord, realtor here with Marples and Associates. I'm also the showing agent for the Marples property management team. I'm here at 4327 Fairlands Drive, apartment number 4. If you're interested in purchasing any properties or buying a home instead of renting, contact me. I'd love to help get you started on that process. For now, I am here at 4327 Fairlands Drive, apartment number 4. This is for rent, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. I'm going to give you a little update here. Did some work, so they got some work done. You see, you got your little yard access here on the side. And in that door right there, that's your half bath. You got a closet storage there. Some newer floors, fresh paint. And here's your kitchen with the recessed lighting. Got a closet space here. And then the half bath here. Again, some boxes. Finishing up some work. Come on up. Got your 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Good sized rooms. Yeah, storage space there. Deep storage closet. Here's bedroom 1. Here's bedroom 2. And then you got your bath here. And there you have it, 4327 Fairlands Drive, Pleasanton, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, apartment number 4. Contact me to schedule a showing.